Hey, Overland Travel Adventurers, good morning from the playa. We're on the Black Rock Desert Playa in Nevada, and it is quite a moonscape. This is about where they hold Burning Man too, so if you're ever coming to Burning Man, you're going to be camping out on this stuff. I put one of our Jetson scooters in the back of the Land Rover, and we rode these things all over the playa, and it was a total blast. We rode at night with no lights, under the moonlight, all across the playa, and everybody was laughing. We also had the Ninebot scooter out, and we were riding that as well, and that was a total blast. I have to say, that was one of the coolest things I've ever done. Very, very fun. So if you have a bike or any kind of toy that can run on pretty smooth stuff, bring it out here. It's very cool.
From the start, but who could foresee the fall? Maybe it's time to decide what to do with the fact that it happens to us all. From time to time it all comes around, and no one knows the end.
Bob is out on the Jetson.
Building bridges slowly, tearing them down fast to start over.
Kicks and then you push it down.
Trying to come over
You have
memories
to-
of the past
This is
to
probably
start
one of
over. The past can start over.
Well, you could have been here too.
No, well, on my map it shows that section of the,
Okay.
the trail, and I was just outside
Oh,
of
okay.
it. And we're camped like right over here.
So I'd like to go across the playa and pick up as close to the Applegate-Lassen as we can. And I want to go up to Black Rock Point first. Maybe make a quick stop there, do some photography. Then double hot springs right here. And then continue, kind of goes off the playa a little bit, but this is the Applegate-Lassen here. And they come and meet together. This road, which is a dirt road, but a very nice graded dirt road. You see how the roads kind of come together here, right up here by Soldier Meadows. And we'll try to stay true to the Applegate-Lassen again. And then we're going to go down past the BLM campgrounds, which maybe that might be lunchtime. I don't know. I'm guessing. And then we'll start into High Rock, and we're going to probably camp at Stevens Camp right here before we get up into High Rock.
Burning Man, right there. Overland Travel Adventures. We are cruising across the playa. We've got a lot of vehicles out there. And having a good time. It's super cool. Hey, we made it through the playa over to the Black Rock Spring. Look at this beauty. Follow the designated route and you will find this. Wow. Out in the middle of nowhere in the desert. Oh, there's a spring right there bubbling. Ooh, it's wobbly. No.
Oh yeah, this would be perfect. That's probably like maybe 100 degrees. That would be ideal. And I bet you it's even cooler. Look it down in there. Wow, look how gorgeous this is. This is truly like an oasis.
Applegate Trail, Black Rock Springs. We found this to be an oasis in the desert, a large hot spring nearly 3 rods in diameter and very deep, irrigated about 20 acres of ground, the water cooling as it ran off. Alonzo Delano, August 17th, 1849. That's the source right there, so it's bubbling up right there, and then it's running off out there, and you can see all the green in the playa from this one spring.
A whole bunch of campers up there and down here if we had to stop here.
Salt.
I'll lick it.
You gonna get out and lick it?
What?
You gonna get out and lick it? Look at the dust. Hey Overland Travel Adventures, we made it to the Double Hot Springs. This is on the Applegate Trail, Double Hot Springs. At the noon halt, we were several boiling springs, 2 of which were great curiosities, like twins standing side by side. They're about 30 feet in diameter. We did our washing and cooked our beans in the spring. Isaac Foster, August 31st, 1849. Danger, 175-degree water.
But it's cool.
Pretty cool down
Yeah, where Jackson is, totally cool.
That's the best spot.
Right? It hits you right there.
I'm starting to sweat.
I know,
Yeah,
just that
it's-
one little corner. It's like, oh.
It's super deep.
Wow, it is really hot right here. Beautiful though, you can see it bubbling up.
Wow, it does radiate a lot of heat, man.
Now that one says 180. That one says 170.
Well, we stopped for lunch pretty much in the middle of nowhere, and it is hot. But we had a good lunch, and we're probably gonna turn around and then get back on the main road, and we'll head further north. We've just intersected with the graded road that'll lead us into Soldier Meadows. There's a little water tank there, and they've got some cattle and horses running around. Well, Overland Travel Adventures, we made it to Soldier Meadow, and we had to take up 3 campsites, so everybody's kind of spread out, but we're getting everything maneuvered around. Look at the dust on the LR. That is crazy. It's not even red anymore. Those wheels, all that dust. Held up really good. Had some good bouncy ruts and wash crossings. Pretty impressive discovery. You said you lost your edge, but if you spend some more money on it, put some tires and sliders from Lucky 8 on there, maybe it'll be okay. Front runner racks held up really great. Hey Overland Travel Adventures, I'm up here in Soldier Meadow, which is in Nevada. It's the end of the Black Rock Trail. And there is the Soldier Meadow hot spring. And we're gonna go down there and check it out. So the source is right up here. And then it flows down here. Yes. So nice and warm.